Supreme Room time, baby! Yes! Back in action. We back in the action, boys. Exciting video today, boys. Y'all been hitting me up non-stop saying, NameBran, when's the Supreme Room 2.0 dropping? Bro, your moms have been hitting me up. Not necessarily about the Supreme Room, but more with questions of, hey, how do I make my son not turn out like you? Third jack-off session a day. Which is kind of bullshit. I'm really not that bad, so I hit him with dick pics. I'm also going to court for that sometime soon, so whoever's mom that was, I'm sorry. Please just drop the charges. I got the Supreme Room, for God's sake. I gotta make it in jail. Anyway, we'll get past that for a second. Y'all saw Supreme Room 1.0. It was the definition of magic. It was wolves. It was bad liar. Shoot! Sorry, that Selena Gomez song's always in my mind. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But it also had some conflict in it with you guys. You guys said there was too much fake stuff. Which is true. However, the video we did was real lit. Right here, I think this was my second last pickup, which is super dope. The lockbox. We got the shirt
in here, though.
Are you serious?
Why have a shirt in a lockbox?
Adam!
What?
I folded that up for a long time. Dude.
Why? Lockboxes aren't for t-shirts. Hey!
Notice how we don't have a cameraman today? Yeah, we're not doing that again. But I do encourage you guys, if you're above the age of 18, to crack a cold one. If you guys are below 18, grab a drink, man. This is a celebration. Like in my dreams when Selena Gomez comes to my bar mitzvah. I stand up in front of the whole family and she circumcises me right there. Oh, would that not be sick? But of course, y'all know the NameBran fam's real show. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, notification squad, where you at? I'm always messaging y'all down below. And also, if you guys could get this video 5,000 thumbs up, that would be lit. And I told y'all I've been promoting this video for a long time. We have a major giveaway. So all you guys need to do is follow me on Instagram, smash that like button, leave a positive comment down below, and notifications, of course. And last thing I want to say before we get into this, boys, everything in this room is 100% legit, 100% the Supreme I've always wanted. And if you guys see anything that's not Supreme, it's anything I've customized, like my table, stormtrooper helmets, etc. So with that, let's go. I'm actually not really sure how to start these whole like room tour videos. Usually I have a cameraman, but he's not here. Not invited back ever, actually. Never in this room. So this is a good start right here. I'll pan around the room as we go. This first piece right here was the only piece that we were waiting for this whole video to start. I want to give a big shout out to man right here. He hooked me up with this on the steel. And I told him I'd give him a shout out. His link is down below if y'all want to cop from him. Shout out to the play button, man. We always gotta have that up. It's not Supreme, but I think I might make that Supreme. Might be dope. The only Supreme deck that we have that is legit had to go up. Boys, just a one over right now. This is the biggest change that we did in the room. It's so sick. I spent like fucking like hours making this yesterday. I had to do piece by piece by piece by piece. After I had drinking beer by beer by beer by beer, which was not a good idea. IKEA, suck a big one on that one. Hate your product! But it still looks good in the Supreme Room. We'll just carefully pan over these pieces. That's a custom. It's like a cool thing I bought. We got the da-da-da-da-da. I actually just got this Illusion coin bank today. He sent it with the little curtain for free, which is sick. Thank you, man. I actually haven't tested it yet. I don't know how. Ah! What? Oh my god. How do I get it up? I can't even see it. How do I get it out now? That's an illusion. Anyway, Supreme coin bank. I don't know where that went, but it's cool. And we got the lighter. Anyway, just going through, we got the that thing right there. It costs a lot of money, which is sick. We got the Supreme box logo, really hype piece. Just had to have it, doesn't fit me. This is actually a custom that somebody made me. It's a $2 bill, but then they like printed Supreme on it. I thought that was really cool. The world is yours. All my Supreme like clothing is under here, at least hoodies and stuff like that. So we got a bunch of hoodies, jackets, etc. I got some more in my closet, but that's what I thought looked dope in there. The infamous customized Stormtrooper helmets. You guys have seen me make them throughout time, but I haven't actually showed them on display yet, which looks looks really, really sick. I'm actually really, really proud of how that looks in the case right there. I keep trying to tell you guys, if you're trying to make like a cool Hypebeast room, have your real stuff, whatever, but if you also just make some really cool custom stuff, I think it really pulls it in together. I'm also a really big fan of arts and crafts, or at least that's what they made me do during math class, because I couldn't do math that well. They're like, hey, how about you just come to an extra art class every day? I got through grade 10 math and that was it. What the hell? That must have been a ghost. Crazy. Anyway, Supreme Stormtrooper helmets right there. Looks ah! Why does that keep happening? While we're talking about Stormtroopers, hey, Stormtrooper, how's Vader been lately? Horrible! Keeps trying to eat out my girl while I'm working. That's just some funny goofs that I do with this on sometimes when I'm in here. I like talk to the Stormtrooper and then he talks back in inappropriate ways. It's kind of funny. It's like a little goof that we have going on here. Next up, my prized possession in the Supreme room. This is actually like my very favorite aisle right here, but we got the Supreme ball. I think that thing goes for like $1 million. Bad joke. Sorry, he just died. Well, the mini one did, like the small dude. But anyway, rest in peace, Vern Troyer. You were dope, and I thought you were very funny when you walked and stuff like that. Not in a bad way. I just think it's funny how you just do things when you're smaller. I'll stop right now. We got the Supreme water bottle. I just got this from the Supreme drop. It comes with a cool little box. And I didn't have anything else to put it there, so I put the box there. Because we're trying to fill up space, for at least for the video. You know what I mean? We got the Supreme brick. We have a few bear bricks down here because I didn't have enough space to like fill up all my Supreme stuff. You know, we got the skipping rope we just got, yada, yada, yada. I had to fill up a little bit more space, so I put these in here just for the video until I get more Supreme. But these things are so weird, man. Like, that thing cost me like 300 bucks. This one was like 700, which is crazy. And then we got a little dude right here from Halo. It was sick. Thanks, NameBran, you fucking piece of shit. Hey! 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 That one also costs a lot of money. And then, yeah, all this stuff down here. If you guys ever want to see my, like, cool collection of, like, Supreme that I wear, you guys will see that soon. I'm not going to show it in this video, but it's pretty cool stuff. Up top here, we have the Supreme mat, which honestly is my favorite piece, I think, honestly, to ever drop from Supreme that I can afford. And I keep telling you guys, if you can buy more than one of these, or at least one, I definitely guarantee it. Keep it dead stock. I wouldn't hang it. Just, like, put it in your closet or something. I guarantee you it's going to be a lot more money in a few years. It's just one of those pieces. Like, if you can get that for $200 now, you know it's going to go up in price. Classic Supreme box logo. Can never go wrong with that. We got the Supreme sled. Shout out to my boy Dan. I can't ever look at this sled without thinking about him. Roll the clip.
Hey, it's Dan the NameBran. You know, you only live once, so eat ass, smoke fast, sled fast.
Go down there, just let me time. We'll call the police on you.
Go! Danny, go! Sled gang! Sled gang! Sled gang! Sled gang! Yeah, that dude is dangerous and we need to get together. Once again, boys, I don't preach anything I try not to do myself. I had to double up on this piece right here and it looks really good in contrast with these. And I really think that this is a smart purchase. Maybe not that it's not dead stock anymore. And the lay station had to have it. I brought a few big girls in here the other day and they broke one of the legs. So it's kind of like on its own. I had to put books underneath it. They didn't even give my money back, which was crazy. Didn't even get sex either, so I'm really not sure what I paid for. But right, coach, had to do it for the Supreme room. Over here, my mom's boyfriend made this. We did this logo on a merch tee a little while back. I think we have a couple more in select sizes. If you guys want, we could probably give those out. But it's just the YouTube logo, Supreme form, NameBran at the bottom. Kind of like what you see on the Nas tee. You know, his signature at the bottom. It had that. I thought it looked kind of dope. And it looks really sick here, man. Thanks for the painting, you fucking douche. So my mom's boyfriend, so I hate him, but I like the picture at least. So giving you an all-around look of what we've covered so far, just so you guys can kind of get like the picture of the room. I hate it when people don't do this in their interiors, but this is the one side of the room. It's a pretty small room. We're fitting in what we can. Once I fill these up, I know I have space for one more of those here and one more of those there, or maybe even two if I hang that up, but I don't know how to do that. Now this is a piece right here that everyone loves. This is actually a custom that I did myself. This right here used to be black, so I spray painted it white. This right here just used to be glass underneath where the Supreme is, and I slapped a big Supreme decal on it that I made at my old work. So that looks really sick, I think. It kind of goes with the couch. And then last up for the Supreme room, this is something that didn't really change too much just because I love how this looked. This was in Supreme room 1.0, but of course we had to get the Mob Deep poster right here. I have to get a new one because we got mad in a video and smashed a skateboard against it. Don't ask. We have Supreme box logo decal right here, which is really sick, just on the wall. That's just going the extra mile, I feel like. The Supreme AK-47, which is kind of dope. It's not real, but it could be if I bought a real AK-47. It's just not real. And then we got the lovely Kate Moss. And if you guys think she's hot, she's got lots of nudes online. Got you, boys. Kate Moss, remember that. She's smoking a cigarette. And we got a box logo on her. But hey, man, that's it for the Supreme room, and this is a view you guys are about to see in videos. It's gonna be so great to start filming in here again. I've been working on this for months. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you guys to make something really cool for your room. Once again, you don't, and I keep stressing this because I know a lot of people don't have money, you know what I mean? So if you got a few Supreme pieces you think are dope, you want to display, get a Stormtrooper helmet or anything you think looks dope, customize a Supreme, and you can really make a dope room just out of this. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, this wall right here, boys, probably cost me all of $30, $40. These frames are like $5. This thing right here was like $10. And of course, the posters were nothing. So yes, I hope that inspired you. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. NameBran fams, real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Smash it with like buttons if you guys enjoyed. Notification squad, where you at? And once again, we got a massive giveaway that I talked about. So what I'm gonna be doing is I haven't picked what I want to do yet. I actually want to hear feedback down below of what you guys want to win more. But I'm thinking of either buying, you know, like $100 Supreme item accessory or something that you guys could put in your room, or customizing you guys a Stormtrooper helmet or something like that, a little NameBran custom for your room. So the giveaway has started. You guys still comment, do all the things I told you to do, but I'm not gonna choose what I'm gonna send out until I read the comments down below so I can really send you guys something that you really want. But with that being said, man, hopefully you enjoyed it. Good luck on the giveaway. Once again, we're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the GOATs. It's the coolest room y'all have ever seen. And that right there just makes it. I love that. I will wait in weeks for that. Anyway, blah.